Hey guys, welcome to Rustic Sodak Farm. So today we're working these sheep. We're about 220 head ewe lambs. They'll be a year in probably April, May. And we're gonna try breeding them. So that means we need to get a Vibrio vaccine for them so they don't abort. And it's very common in our area, so we do need to vaccinate for it. And so we will give it prior to breeding, and then halfway through gestation, which is about 5 months, so 2.5 months, midway through, we will give another booster. So that's what we're doing today. I guess let's go for a drive. So I couldn't find my phone was lost. It was in my side-by-side, but in a couple hours we did 100 of those ewe lambs. So they all got that vaccine. They did great. I'll have to get the camera set up for tomorrow to show it. Because honestly, I mean, we bought the handling system because if you know about working animals with your spouse, it's a little stressful. So we said buying the handling system, was better than a divorce. But it really wasn't working. So yesterday we went and bought some freestanding panels, and we just needed to change up our system a little bit better. So that works great, and the sheep feel, they move. You can't work a sheep and make them work. They have to want to do it. So that's just, they flew, they flowed, I guess, and it was their decision. The sheep, it has to be their decision, otherwise you're not going to make them do anything they don't want to do. But driving out, there's the pond, there's still a bunch of snow down in here. Boys want to go ice fishing, but it's warmed up so much. It's about 50 today, so, and the next 2 days. But the sheep were doing good. They didn't go out on the road today, thank goodness. We got them down and around. They were here about, I don't know, half hour ago. Let's go find them. One thing's cool, if you guys are looking at that, if you could see it, because it's kind of sunny, they already started moving home. So we started, like last winter, our originals we had, gosh, there were only about 20 of them, but they would move up, and we'd bring them up every single night because we don't have the fences for them. And yeah, they're sneaking through where they shouldn't sometimes, so you gotta keep an eye on them, which fencing will be a big thing this year. But yeah, they're moving up, so makes life a little easier and safer for them. They know exactly where to go. Our lead sheep, Barbara, she's usually pretty good. I don't know if she's up front today though. Oh, yep, she is. She's the tall one over there in the middle. She's Suffolk. No, it's not her. There's some youngins. Come on, sheep, sheep, sheep. Here we go. Come on, sheep, sheep, sheep. Come on, girls. So I'm just moving sheep home with my side-by-side, and sometimes I just call them if they're close and they come. Otherwise, they just follow me, and I don't even have to use grain anymore. They just know that we're going home and we're gonna get some good water, and we're gonna get to go to a safe place to sleep tonight. So these are the rest that we have to do in the morning. I got all the other ewes up for the night, and we'll be back out in the morning and show you guys really what's going on. Trying to just count and see how many we have left to do tomorrow. I think we have about 100. How many did you get?
I got like 110.
Oh, okay, cool.